Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Day, I want to talk to you about the laundry room and the odds and ends you need in the laundry room to do laundry. All right, but before we get into that, I'd like to take this opportunity to remind all of you out there that haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet. Now's the great time. Just go ahead and click that red button down below here and then ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a video. It doesn't mean you have to watch it, but you have it there and you know what's coming up. And if it's a topic you like, then you can watch it. Alrighty, so laundry odds and ends in the laundry room. What am I talking about here? Well, I'm going to start at first with these items right here, washer and dryer. If you have a situation where the power goes out, hey, you can't use these unless you have a big generator, you have a generator to run everything, especially if one of them is electric. Now, the other thing is too, if it's a quote SHTF or the end of the world as we know it situation where the power ain't coming back on, you're going to want another way to be able to wash clothes and dry them. So one of the ways for washing them, everyone talks about in the prepper channels, oh, this is great little device here. You put a couple clothes in there, you put a half gallon of water and you spin it around and do the agitation on it. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, that really works. Not. When I say mean that, it may clean your clothes, but you're using a half gallon for a shirt and a couple shirts or a pair of pants or whatever. You're not doing a lot of laundry efficiently for the amount of water you're using. You need to go old school, like a wash tub where you can go through and wash a lot of clothes with a little bit of water. And that's the other thing you're going to need too. You're going to need to have some water for laundry. It doesn't have to be potable water or drinkable water. It can be water you store in old milk cartons that you've rinsed out, juice containers, things like that. So you can have something to actually wash with. Now, once you have a way to wash your clothes and everything, you're going to need a way to dry it too. Of course, the old-fashioned way is laundry line with clothespins, string it between two trees, and hang your clothes up there. Well, what happens if it's raining? Well, there are ways you can do that indoors. They also have these nice little collapsible and expandable racks that you can hang clothes on to dry indoors. Now let's go to the other side of it here, back to the stuff in the laundry room that you need to have. And it's not just for an SHTF or Tawaki situation. It's for just in case there's a problem with the supply chain. Like right now, certain companies are having a hard time hiring and keeping drivers because a lot of their older drivers have, hey, it's retirement age for them and they're retiring. So they're having to replace them and having problems. And so they're having a little bit of problems in their supply chain. One of the things you need to think about is stocking up on your laundry detergent, your stain remover, your laundry additives, such as the Arm & Hammer baking soda additive or the Boraxo Borax laundry detergent additive, your Shout stain removers or whatever it is that you use to put on there to get stuff out, whether it's the like the Clorox pen. And speaking of Clorox, bleach, you need to make sure you have plenty of bleach on hand. So you need to take care of making sure you have at least a year's worth of laundry. Now, a year's worth, what do you mean? No, hey, it's not that hard. It's not that much. I know when Costco or Sam's Club has the all free and clear on sale, hey, we get one or two because they don't go on sale at the great price, but once or twice a year. So we stock up. It doesn't go bad, folks. It stays good for practically forever. So you stock up on your supplies. Now, one of the supplies I haven't mentioned to stock up on, and this gets into a little bit of a safety issue, and that is your softener sheets you throw in your dryer. You talk to any knowledgeable fire department, they're going to tell you not to use them. because those things, when they heat up in there, give off a paraffin type wax coating type stuff, which stops the static clinging and stuff. Well, it also goes through into the dryer vent, into the ducting there, and it then cools off there and sticks to the side of the ducting with the lint that's making it past the little trap thing in your dryer. So you're getting a buildup on there that is a great fire starter, and you don't want it to start a fire in your ducting. So just all in all, you really don't need to have those static free sheets with, you know, the scent and crap on them. You really don't need them. Now, one of the things to consider, especially if you live in the southern regions of the United States, especially the southeast where they get hurricanes. And back on September 15th on Prep for Its Prepper Portal live stream, I was a guest on there with Mouse Toes, and Tasha was hosting it, and we were talking about all the things you need to do for hurricane preparedness. Well, Mouse Toes lives in an area where she gets hurricanes, and she was giving us some of her experiences and the actual down and dirty of what happens in a hurricane. You have the water coming in, everything comes in, and afterwards you got cleanup, and you're going to be cleaning up for a day or two, but it's so humid and muggy, and there's usually no power, so you're going to be have no AC in the house, and you're out there, you're cleaning and you're doing stuff, and you're just, to quote her, sweating like a pig, and you're going to be needing to change your clothes a couple times. If you have bandanas on, she says you'll go through 3 or 4 bandanas in a day. So you're going to be going through a lot of clothes, and they're going to be stinky, and you're going to want to wash them. So one of the things you need to make sure of is that you can do laundry, which took us back to the beginning when I was talking about alternatives to replace these things over here. Okay. And with that, I just want to remind everybody, you know, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish or stupid. And most of all, stay prepared. Keep on stockpiling your supplies and building up your supplies for preparedness. All right. And don't forget, stick around for the last little bit here. There's going to be a little trailer at the end here of other videos you might be interested in. And I'll see you around in the next video.